Hi and welcome to my channel. The purpose of this channel is to upload and share informative and practical guides. These guides will be about anything computer related. I hope I will be able to share and learn a lot. Let's think about some things. Only about 10% of the world's currency is physical money, the rest only exists on computers. There are more than 5,000 new computer viruses released every month. Around 50% of all Wikipedia vandalism is caught by a single computer program with more than 90% accuracy. If there was a computer as powerful as the human brain, it would be able to do 38,000 trillion operations per second and hold more than 3,580 terabytes of memory. The password for the computer controls of nuclear-tipped missiles of the US was 00000000 for 8 years. Approximately 70% of virus writers are said to work under contract for organized crime syndicate. More than 80% of the emails sent daily are spam. The first 1 GB hard disk drive was announced in 1980, which weighed about 550 pounds, and had a price tag of $40,000. The first ever hard disk drive was made in 1979, and could hold only 5 MB of data. The first electronic computer ENIAC weighed more than 27 tons and took up 1,800 square feet. 30,000 websites are hacked every day. Do you know what CAPTCHA is? I hope you know that, but do you know this is the abbreviation of Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. In 1993, Mosaic was the first popular web/internet browser. The average computer user blinks 7 times a minute, less than half the normal rate of 20. In 2012, a hacker group named Eugenazi took down the Papa John's website because the company took 2 hours longer than expected to deliver my food. Elgoog.com, Google backwards, has a huge following in China because Elgooji search terms are printed in reverse, so users are able to perform Google searches without detection by the Chinese government's search filters. The first microprocessor created by Intel was the 4004. It was designed for a calculator, and in that time nobody imagined where it would lead. Subscribe and see you soon.